One more case study related to the chapter probability. A missing helicopter is reported to have crashed somewhere in the rectangular region in the figure. The rectangular region, there is a lake in one corner, and the remaining corners there is a 3 water bodies, each of the shape of quadrant of a circle of radius 700 meter. See the figure. Here is the lake, 2 kilometer into 2 kilometer is a water body, okay, and these are the figure. Now the questions. The probability that the helicopter crashed inside the lake. First, find the area of all. Area of rectangular plot. L into B. Area of rectangle L into B. L into B means 8 into 5. 40 square kilometer. And area of lake L into B means 2 into 2. 4 square kilometer. And area of 3 quadrants. 3 into 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay. 3 into 1 by 4 pi 22 by 7, and radius is 700 meter means 0.7 kilometer. Okay. All areas are in square kilometer, then the area of quadrant also 3 into 11 cancel 0.1. 3 into 11 into 7, 77 by 2. 2.21 by 2. 2.31. Sorry. The 1.155. This is the area of quadrant, 3 quadrants. Okay. Now the questions. Question number 1. What is the probability helicopter crashed inside the lake? The first, crashed inside the lake means area of lake divided by area of total portion is probability 1 by 10, 0.1. The answer is 0.1. 0.1. Next, what is the chance of helicopter crashed in one of the 3 water bodies in 3 corners? Okay. Area of 3 water bodies means 3 quadrants. 1.155. This is the area of O, and area of the lake is 40. In the percentage, 100. Solve this one and come to this 30 and cancel. You will get 2.88%. Area of 3 water bodies divided by total area into 100. If we want to take the probability percentage, 2.88%. Question number 3. The probability that the helicopter crashed in the water body nearer to the lake. Nearer to the lake is a water body is this. The area of water body divided by whole area. Area of water body means 1 quadrant. Quadrant area 1 by 4 pi r square. This is the area of quadrant, and divided by area of whole lake, whole portion. Now you can solve 0.1, 2, 11. You will get 0.77 by 80. 0.77 by 80. 77 by 8000 and solve 77 by 8000. This is the probability of area when the helicopter crashed in near water body nearer to the lake. 77 by 8000. Okay. Now the probability that a helicopter crashed in a water body including the lake. It means the total area of lake and these three water bodies. Okay. Now the total areas. This area of lake plus area of water body. 4 plus 1.155. It means 5.155. And the probability is area of favorable outcome this and total outcome is 40. Now decimal cancel करेंगे. Cancel by 5. 0, 3, 1 by 8000. 1031 by 8000. The right option is 1031 by 8000. And the last question, the probability that the helicopter crashed outside all water bodies and the lake is. If the plane crashed in this area, so we have to find the area of this portion, the area of whole rectangular region minus area of these three water bodies and lake. Okay. Area of whole portion was 40 minus 5.155. Area of lake including the whole body. Put here the decimal and then subtract. You will get 5, 8, 34.845. Now the probability, the area of this divided by total area. Now cancel decimal and cancel out by 5. The answer is 6969 by 8000. This is the probability. Okay. The answer is 6969 by 8000. This is the right option. Okay.